Pakilala sa amay ni.
What's your name?
I'm Dayan, and this is my last exam. Arquin.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Marpol Cinco. This is my last exam.
You. What's your name?
Jalray Cavalon. My second and last exam. This
Rasa.
Richard Daoba, Arquin, this is my last exam.
Nico Gordo.
Tikto.
This is my second and last exam.
What's your name?
What's up? My name is Michelle Meganyosa. I'm virgin and tempered.
Alam, hindi ka mapasar.
This is my last. This is my last exam. Arcrim 2024.
What's your name?
Ang shooter ng Carlos. Last exam.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Jimmy Balot Spinia. This is my first and last exam. Future arm.
This is Shirley Coco. My second and last exam. Arcrim.
Ako na lang. Hi, my name is Leah May. This is my first and last exam. Arcrim 2025!
What's your listening? What's your listening? Arcrim sa 2024. Go!
Arcrim sa 2024!
I'm from Amrit. Of course, marasa kanya.
Chill.
We're from Amrit. Of course, mga patay gutom kami. Ano ba nagkalat ka?
We're from Amplet. Of course, marasa kay Sir Luto.
Ay, yay! Sip-sip.
Amrit, of course. Lagi nagdala. I'm from Amplet, of course. Marasa kami.
I'm from Amplet. Of course, alas 8 ang full-time, alas 11 ang abroad.
I am great honor. Of course, I know how to cook.
I'm from Amplet, of course. Hot mama ini.
I'm from Amclet. Of course, may POE kami.
Wow!
I'm from Amplit. Of course, I know how to aita.
I'm from Amplet. Of course, mapalit ak eyes.
From Amplet. Of course, mapasar kami.
Wow!
I'm from Amplet, of course. May tuba kami.
Yay!
I am from Amplit. Of course, I am well disciplined.
Wow!
Hello guys, I'm from Amplit. Of course, naka-elpad kami.
Yay!
I'm from Amplit. Of course, pinatatag at pinatibay ini.
Yay! Ano may tagpo?
Jump shot at manok shot. Ibak, manukod. Tulo.
Sonay. Sa Facebook, game ka lang pinaka pa-short.